Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This video is going to be a beauty battle. I haven't had one of these in a while, but we are going to compare Glow Recipes Watermelon PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight Toner to Pixi's Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. These toners are probably like Thayer's Witch Hazel is probably the most famous. She's the second most famous and she's the third most famous, right? So and I'm a little stuffed up, so you know I sound weird, so sorry. But these toners, people are always saying this one's better, this one's better, and let's just get down to the bottom of it, right? So both of these toners are great, but let's start off with the cons. Neither of them do what they say they're going to do. So this says it tightens your pores. This says it's going to give you glowing skin. Neither of them do that. This doesn't tighten your pores. This does give you glowing skin. However, they're both good for two different types of skin, right? So in general, my skin is, oh, I just sound so nasally and it just hit me. Oh, the Glow Recipe Toner is really good for people who have dry skin, right? This is something that is really going to bring moisture and light and life to all of your skin in general. And for people with dry skin, dry combination skin, that is what you're looking for. This toner decreases your oiliness to make it a glow and not greasy. So if you have oily skin or oily combination skin, this toner is amazing. So you kind of can't compare the two because they're for two different skin tones. Two different skin types. Like I said, the Glow Recipe is phenomenal for dry skin and the Pixi Glow Tonic is great for oily skin. How do I know this? I have a true combination skin. So as you can see by my forehead, the T-zone is super oily. Also this cheek with the highlighter is mixing with the oil to give y'all something shine it out of this world, right, on this side of my face. So I'm gonna remedy that before the next video. But basically the dry parts of my face get dry, crack, and peel, and the oily parts of my face get oily, acne, and look like an oil slick. So when I use the Pixi Glow Toner, it brings the oily part down to a natural glow and it looks phenomenal, but it dries out the drier parts of my face. And then for this, it takes those dry parts of my face and hydrates them and makes them glow, but then it makes the oily part look a little more oily than it probably should after I use some toner. So technically it's a tie. I'm gonna say this is really based off your skin type, whether you have dry skin, dry combination, oily skin, oily combination, and if you're like myself and you're a true combination when it comes to dry and oily, they're both going to work for one aspect but not for the other. So if you're really fancy, you can use two toners in one, but because these have chemicals and acids, I would suggest you don't mix them. Alright, so thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this video. If there's some other beauty battles you want to see of products that you think should be compared and who's better than who, please let me know so that way I can try to make that video for y'all, right? So leave it in the comment section and I'll see you next time. Bye.